cuties, this is Diamond Cute Charms! And today I received a cute package from my friend Hello Kitty Kawaii. No, actually it's, Hello Kitty Kawaii. It's right here and it says open the week of Christmas and opening video. And her username is right here, Hello Kitty Kawaii. And my daughter Ashley is right here. Hi. LPS Ashley and Jasmine Cute One. Hi. And we're gonna open this present together because she sent packages for all of us. Yay! That's really sweet of you, my friend. And let's open the package. First of all, I have a package for Jasmine. And then she put this cute squishy. And then I have a package for Diamond. That's me. And she put this cute squishy. And then I have a package for Ashley. And then she put a squishy. So first we're gonna open Ashley's package. Here's Ashley. Let me open it for you. Show it on the camera. First I got a note. Alright, it says, hey Ashley, Merry Christmas, hope you like everything. Hello Kitty Kawaii, you get one blue normal face, bun, a heart sticker, 4 small origami papers, 1 eraser, frog tattoo, 1 cherry Kool-Aid, and Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Okay. So here are the stickers. Yay! Pretty. Here's the Kool-Aid. Ooh, delicious Kool-Aid. And origami paper. Really pretty. Little froggy. A froggy tattoo. More origami paper. Another one. And 1 flower. Done. Really squishy. Okay, now I'll go. And now it's Jasmine's turn. Make sure don't cut anything inside. Some stickers. A frog. Origami paper. And the note. Kool-Aid. And the eraser. And 1 squishy. Yay! Now it's my turn. So, where's my package? This is my package. So, I got some stickers. A big sheet of stickers right here. Super pretty. And then I got some cute stickers. And I got this Hello Kitty sticker. Some chocolate flake sprinkles. Ooh, I got so much polymer canes for my cupcakes decorations. Super pretty. Just when you're standing up in the light. And then I got some origami paper. I got 2 pretty erasers. And nice squishy. And she painted these squishes with blue paint. And that is really unique. I like them. And this is my note. Hey Diamond, Merry Christmas, cute chibi outfit. Hope you enjoy everything. Share with the girls too. And this is everything she sent me. Thank you so much, Hello Kitty Kawaii. Make sure you subscribe to her. She's awesome. And it's really sweet of you that you sent a package for each of my girls. So thank you so much for that. And I'm going to be sending you a package right after the holidays because I don't have any more time right now. So yeah, say bye girls.